Fresh off the delivery truck, brand new car parts. Gotta love it. Oh yeah. So here we go, brand new part for the 2020 Supra. I've been seeing a lot of buzz on these magnetic paddle shifters, and I said to myself, is it worth the $400 to $450 that everybody is talking about? So I went ahead and bought it myself so I can let you guys know, is it worth the price premium over the other shifters that are out in the market? So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. I haven't seen what's in the box yet. I haven't opened it yet. And we have some paperwork, got some private information on there, got some stickers. And let's see what's in there. And there you go, nice simplistic, nice cool packaging. Let's go ahead and take this out. And then you have some part, oh, wow, this has a nice little heft to it. You know, it feels more beefy, and this is metal too. So over the lot more sturdier feeling than the plastic ones. But yeah, let me take this one out too. Awesome. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Let's go ahead and hear that clicking sound that everyone is raving about. How do you do this? Oh yeah, that first click, I'm telling you, it feels a lot more sturdier. Carbon fiber, as you can see there, which is pretty nice. But this feels a lot sturdier. There's no flex to this at all. Okay, I'm already impressed, okay. All right, but is it worth that $450? Let me check the other one, make sure it clicks. I did purchase another set of aftermarket paddle shifters, the regular plastic ones. For some reason, they didn't fit on my car. I don't know, I still have it. I should have got rid of it. But this really does feel a lot sturdier. I think there might be a little bit more, you know, effort to click it, but I don't know, we will see about that once we get it installed in the steering wheel. But this just feels a lot more higher end, I should say. Now, does it really enhance the driving experience? I don't know. We will see about that once we get these installed. But overall, first impressions are very, very positive. I just like how sturdy and how higher end it feels just by the touch of the hand without it being installed. But let's go ahead and get these installed. Let me show you how to install these. Now, here's the thing. I don't know if you have to take off the entire steering wheel to install this, but if we don't have to take off the steering wheel, that's gonna be a bonus. Thinking about getting these for my M4, but we will see about that. If I like these, I might get them. Oh, it is magnetic. These got stuck to the magnet. I am thinking about, if I like these, getting them for my M4. Let's go ahead and get these installed. So I got my trunk emptied out. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect the negative battery cable, and then we can go ahead and proceed with the install. Make sure there's no more power going to the car. Okay. Now, last time I did this, it took me like an hour to disconnect the airbag. You know, it was such a pain. Can't even see the dang holes. That's what she said. Okay. Got one side. I think that's not clicked. We'll see about that. I'm trying to look for the holes. I'll show you guys where these holes are at if you guys are curious to know. These aftermarket lick and stick paddle shifters that I have on there right now, just look how flimsy they are. It's just, never really liked the way those looked. Just push in. Oh crap. Okay. What the hell? Is it not out? Come on, buddy. I'm not gonna lie, looking at these paddle shifters now, these things are ugly. The bad part is, I've always thought that, I just never said anything about it. Just tried not to look at them. So the top is out. I think one spring is still in. By the way, I'm just using a T20. It's the only tool I'm using. You know, I see some people use like these big screwdrivers, but I don't think you need a big screwdriver for this. Come on, it's almost there. What the fuck? Let me just start over. Okay. Damn. You know, in other videos I've seen on YouTube where they try to take the airbag out, they do it in like 2 seconds, you know, without any issues. I don't know. I don't know if that's just the magic of editing or if they're just that good. I don't know. I was not looking forward to this part. Damn. Come on. I had it, man. Son of a... You gotta be fucking kidding me. I think I got it. Whew! Haha! Finally! Jesus! Gonna jack that up. All right, let's go ahead and disconnect this. That took about 20 minutes, too long. Disconnect that connector. We have this connector here. And I think we can get to the shifters. I think we can. Yeah, I think we can. I already got my T20. That's all I use to disconnect or to press in the springs. And let's get these little wiring things out of there. Okay. Make sure we tuck those back in. Oh, I might have tightened them too tight. Oh crap, I did. Okay, got that unplugged. Let's unplug the other one. I think this might have been easier if I just removed the steering wheel. I don't know why. Okay, let's go ahead and check out that T20. So I'm just holding the paddle assembly in. Take that out, put that right there. Okay, you should be able to go ahead and remove that. And there we go. Look at how ugly this thing is. Get rid of that. Now the OEM hardware, I don't think you reuse it. I think that's the reason why they provided new hardware. And there's the other one. Look at that, no click whatsoever. Just quiet. Doesn't have that same, well, actually let's go over to the bench. And I'll explain the difference side by side. Stock versus aftermarket. You got the stock with the lick and stick paddle shift extensions on the right and the new Madtrace on the left. Wow, way more visually appealing when you see them side by side. I'm telling you, these look so much cleaner. And let's check out the clickiness. No click on the stock, as you guys can hear. Nothing there. Wow, such a big difference. Not even close. What the hell? Parking assist malfunction. Okay. That's weird. That was weird. Okay. It is raining outside. It's about 30 degrees right now, so I won't be able to get on it. Roads are nasty right now. Well, I shouldn't say nasty, they're just wet. But in the meantime, this should just give us a good, nice feel for how these paddle shifters are. I drive this car in manual mode about 99% of the time, and rarely do I ever just drive it in regular automatic mode unless I'm on the freeway just wanting to cruise, you know, at a set speed. Then I'll go ahead and put it in automatic mode. Oh, first shift in the car. I noticed now, first impressions, all right, we've gone about, you know, 100 feet on these paddles. I noticed that these paddles put your fingers close to this little stalk right here on the left side, so that's a little bit odd. I didn't notice that on my other paddles. So you're going to be touching the actually both of them. Actually, you're going to be touching them. I don't know, maybe because the these paddle shifters go out a little bit more. I don't know, but I have this coded to where it starts up in sport mode, and so I don't have to worry about clicking a button. So that's through Beamer code. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it just feels so much more sturdy. So far I'm liking it, guys. I really am. I'm telling you. Notification came up. Outside temperature 37 degrees. All right, it's probably gonna get colder than that. Yeah. Oh, that just feels so much more sturdier. Now, is it worth the $450 they're asking for these? better. See, one of the things, like for me, since I drive this car in manual mode, you know, 95% of the time, you know, I'm always touching the steering wheel and the paddle shifters. Now, if there's any way to enhance the feel or the driving experience, then, you know, I would say this is worth it. I'm not gonna lie, and I've only been driving the car for less than 5 minutes, but I'm really liking the positive versus the OEM ones where, you know, you push on it, doesn't make a sound, there's no tactile feel to it, there's no positive feel on saying, yes, it actually shifted, but this one, you actually know. So it almost makes the car feel a little bit more expensive than it actually really is. Such a small mod can make such a big difference. Paddle shifters, yeah. All right, I'm calling it, guys. 100% definitely worth the money. I don't know if it's worth $450, but it definitely enhances the driving experience. I'm telling you, so much better. The only thing that I could say is maybe some of you may not like those audible clicks. It might get annoying. So that's one thing that, you know, everybody's different. Everybody's gonna like different things. But I really like that audible confirmation that, yep, you have shifted, you confirmed the button or whatever, the shifter. I really like it. I'm calling it. That's my opinion, and I'm sticking to it. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Go ahead and check out the link in the description below. And we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys. See you on the next one.